Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and after that here in the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading on our device and then installing. After that, just click here to open, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now here you can set the section with the battery health of our device, and in my case it's good. Also here we have other just information like the Android version, model of our device, and more, and other information like the Android level, battery level, the battery capacity, temperature, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.